14-15 down to shoot. Edulantes lumipad, connect 2 points. 15 down to shoot. Edulantes ngayon. Pumukol. Connect 2 points. Gamit ang jump shot. Jersey number 3 ngayon. Dribbling the ball. Nakawala si jersey number 3. Pasagay. Naagawan ni Edulantes. Edulantes ngayon lumipad. Connect 2 points. Easily up na kayo. Jersey number 20 ngayon. Dribbling the ball. Haras by jersey number 31. Nakawala. Pasa sa gilid kay Edulantes. Pumukol. Connect 2 points na. Siya rin ang score. Jersey number 3. Haras by dalawa. Naagawan. Boy! Naagaw ni jersey number 3. Pasto. Labador. Babandang tira. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Bunares ngayon. Pasa sa gilid. Labador. Pumukol. Connect 2 points. Babandang tira. Samoya. 10 down to shoot. 5 down to shoot. Connect 2 points. Nihigda na ni Itzo Naagawan. Layup. Connect 2 points. Connect 2 points.
15.
Connect 2 points. Bunares. Naagawan. Jersey number 20. To Edulantes. Lumipad. Connect 2 points. Gitanaw po. Galpo. Connect 2 points. Pasa kay jersey number. Lavador. 15 down to shoot. To Bunares. Connect 2 points. Bunares. To jersey number 20. Jersey number 20 ngayon. Pasa kay Edulantes. Fake. Pumihit. Connect 2 points. Agaw ni Edulantes. Edulantes lumipad. Gipasa. Connect 2 points. 31-36. Jersey number 55. Seconds to play. 15 down to shoot. 55. 10 down to shoot. Bunares. Step back now. Rebound. Labrador up. Tinawagan. Foul. Ten down to shoot. Connect. That's 30. 10 down to shoot. 10. Bunares ngayon. Launching for 3 points, Mr. Bunares. 41-33. Pasa kay jersey number. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Nakuha ni jersey number 55. Jersey number 55. Naku! Murawag snatcher. Jersey number 4. Haras by Labrador. No. Rebound ni jersey number 20. Haras by dalawa. Nakawala. Gipasa kay jersey number 14. Connect 2 points. 37-41. Haras 5 down to shoot. 5 down to shoot. Nakagawa jersey number 20 ngayon. Pass break play kay Samoya. Connect.
39-41.
To jersey number 3. Haras by Mr. Samoya. 15 down to shoot. Connect 2 points. To jersey number 20. Double off. Pasa kay jersey number lumipad. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 47. Launching for 3. No. Pass break play kay Edulantes. Pasa kay jersey number 4. Connect 2 points. Deadlock na. Deadlock ng score. Jersey number 3. 15 down to shoot. 10 down to shoot. No, rebound. Pasa kay Samoya. Samoya ngayon. No good. Samoya pa rin. Pasa kay jersey number 20. Logic for 3. No. Jersey number 3. Dipasa kay Labador. 15 down shoot. To Bunares. 1-on-1 kay jersey number 4. 10 down shoot. 5 down shoot. Labador. No. Rebound. Samoya pass break play kay jersey number 2 Idolantes. Connect. 2 points. 45-43. Lamang ang Brokenshire. Lamang na ang Brokenshire. 15 down to shoot. 10 down to shoot. Jersey number 3. Dipasa na agawan. To jersey number 4. Lumipad. Connect. 2 points. 47-43. Ay. Foul sa Samoya. Samoya ngayon nagpamadali Sir Samoya. Na! Ganda ng ginawa. Traveling violation. Gomez ngayon gipasa kay Labador. 15 down shoot. 10 down shoot. Connect. 2 points Mr. Labador. 5 down shoot. (49-47) lamang na po ng EBS. Seconds to play. 50. 45. 10 down to shoot. 5 down to shoot. 2 points. 30. 25. 20. 10. Last four.
End of third quarter.